It's really a festival that celebrates all things about men, things like craft beer and whiskey and beards and barbers and barbecues and all of those sorts of things.
Well, there's just a lot of great stalls, a celebration of men and beards and lady beards.
I just think it's a great community gathering of people that want to have a good time, especially people that grow beards, and they get to show it off.
The food's great, the music's great, you can dance, you can dress like this and people don't look at you strange.
Wonderful, very manly. That last band was awesome.
Lots of energy. I think people are really excited to be out. It's such a great venue.
When we've been selling the barbecue platter, we've been met with, so the open eyes and the open mouth, I think is some good feedback enough.
Mandate. It's for the man in all of us.